Are you looking to monitor the health of your garden and discover how to use electronic outdoor? Last week, I facilitated some forest school workshop and helped young people build an electronic in nature box. In this video, I will give you an overview of the box, how to build it, and what the different components are. Right, it's summer right now, and this year it's pretty warm. The grass is turning yellow, the vegetables are wilting, and the sun is quite blinding. But wouldn't it be interesting to take some measurement and see how the shade of full bright sun or some ice is changing our environment? So let me introduce you to the electronic in nature box. The box has a little solar panel on top, so it's powered by the sun. You use a push button on the back and you turn it up. It has some LED to indicate the moisture of the soil and two nails to take the moisture recording. It also has a temperature sensor in the front, and here it will be indicated. A little wind light turbine object that uses the temperature reading to rotate. It also has a speaker that plays different music depending on the light intensity reading. Let's have a look at the component we will need to build it. This box is made with the Arduino Uno and a breadboard. We use three different kinds of sensors, two nails, a little temperature sensor, and a light intensity sensor. We use a LCD screen display to demonstrate the value, a little speaker to play some music, and a servo motor to rotate the wind light turbine. We also have a battery pack for a Lion battery, push button to switch the circuit on and off, and a step-up board. Here you go! Our electronics in nature box is made out of three different circuits. Each circuit is for each environmental sensor. Let's have a look at the code for each of one. We'll combine all the three codes into one for our electronic in nature box. Now it's time to build the box. I hope you find the design file for the laser cutter. There is also a wiring diagram in the link below. Make sure to have a look at it. It can be quite confusing because we need a lot of wire. Let's build it together. we made it. Now it's time to take our box and go to the park to play around with it. What will happen if we put it in the sun, in the shade, putting some ice in front of our temperature sensor? I'm really interested to see what you discover with it. Please let me a comment in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel for some more electronics in nature content and click the like button if you enjoy it. Have a nice summer. Bye!